the water barrel sample. A tank of water has a leak. Sarah realizes the tank loses 2.5 gallons of water a day. That's how much it loses, so this is a negative number. Each afternoon, Sarah adds half the amount back into the tank. So the first thing we have to realize is she's adding back in 1 1/4 gallons, because that is half of 2.5. So we can do 1/2 times 2 1/2, which gives us 1 1/4. So she adds 1 1/4 gallons back into the tank. By how much has the volume of the water in the tank changed after 3 days? So it loses 2.5 gallons each day for 3 days. So negative 2.5 times 3, which would give you negative 7.5 gallons. How much does the tank gain after 3 days? So she's replacing 1 1/4 gallons 3 times, which is 3 3/4 gallons being replaced in. So what is the overall change? As of right now, the tank has lost 7.5 gallons, but she's added back in 3 3/4 gallons. So if we have negative 7 1/2 plus 3 3/4, we get negative 3 3/4 gallons, which means the tank has lost 3 3/4 gallons.